In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell online courses on WordPress for free. We'll use WordPress's built-in site editor to turn a template into a clean, conversion-focused course page, then publish it so it's live. No paid tools required. Start in the site editor. You'll see your homepage template ready to customize. Click the highlighted area to open the home template for editing. This loads a pre-designed layout so you don't have to build from scratch. Next, type directly into the highlighted field to replace the placeholder title with your course's clear promise. Keep it short and benefit-driven. If you see an editing toolbar, use it to set this as a heading for proper structure and accessibility. Move through each highlighted section on the page. Click to select a block, then type to update the text. Swap the subheading with a concise explanation of who the course is for and the outcome learners can expect. In the Features or Benefits rows, keep each point to one sentence. Brevity helps visitors skim, and strong verbs make each point feel actionable. When you reach the Call to Action area, click the highlighted button and update its label to something specific, like Enroll Free or Start Learning. If the interface allows a link field, paste the destination where you'll direct sign-ups or inquiries. Keep the button color high contrast so it stands out against the background. Continue clicking each highlighted block to refine your curriculum overview, instructor intro, and any social proof sections. For the instructor portion, focus on credibility tied to the course topic rather than a full bio. In the curriculum section, list outcomes or modules in plain language. If there's a FAQ area, write short, helpful answers to the most common questions learners have about time commitment, prerequisites, and what they receive at the end. As you edit, use the block settings panel to adjust spacing, alignment, and font size so the page reads comfortably on both desktop and mobile. Aim for generous white space and consistent heading styles. If an image or banner is highlighted, you can click to replace it with a relevant, lightweight image that loads quickly. When everything looks right, click Save. Confirm the changes so your template updates are stored. Finally, click Launch to push the new homepage live. Give it a moment, then view your site as a visitor. Read it top to bottom, test the button, and make sure every section feels clear and compelling. If something needs fine-tuning, hop back into the site editor, adjust the highlighted block, and save again. That's it. Your course sales page is live on WordPress.